Okay, let's put P is 7,5, that's L1, and we'll find the equation of L2, which goes through 7,5 and is perpendicular to L1. So I need to know what the gradient of this is. There's another way of doing it, but this is probably the standard way of doing it. So I've got 3x plus 4y equals 16. I want to get it in terms of y equals. So 4y equals minus 3x plus 16. So y equals minus 3/4 of x plus 4. So the gradient of this is minus 3/4. Therefore, the gradient of the perpendicular is, I'm going to change the sign, so it'll be positive, and take the reciprocal, so it's 4/3. So therefore I know what the gradient is, it's 4/3, so I now know y equals 4/3 of x plus c, and then I need to find c by substituting any point on that line, and I know p, so it's going to go through p, which is 7,5. Make sure I don't make a mistake of substituting the wrong one into the wrong one, because y equals, oh, it's not the first line, y is the 5, so 5 equals 4/3 times by 7 plus c, so 5 equals, that'll be 28 over 3 plus c, and c will be, take away that, that's 9 1/3, that'll be minus 4 1/3, so that gives me y equals 4/3 x plus a c, which is minus 4 1/3, times everything through by 3, 3y equals 4x minus 3/4 is 12, and I'll make it 13, and then I want to get it, so it says 4x, that'll be minus 3y equals 13. So that's done the first part, and now I need to find the point of intersection of the two lines. So I've got 3x plus 4y equals 16, and the one I just worked out is 4x minus 3y equals 13. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it by elimination and get them the same. Actually, I'm going to get the y's the same. So if I get the y's the same, that means I'll be able to add them. So I've got positive there and negative there, and I prefer to add than subtract. So I'm going to times the top one by 3, and that will give me 9x plus 12y equals 48. And I'm going to times the bottom one by 4, and that will give me 16x minus 12y equals 52, and then add these up, that'll be 25x's, there are no y's, that's 100, that's nice, so x equals 4, and now I'll sub x equals 4 into, I'm going to put it into equation 1, into 1, and that'll be 12 plus 4y equals 16, so 4y will equal 4, so y equals 1. So the point is 4, 1 is the thing. And find the perpendicular distance of p from the line L1. Well, that just means the perpendicular from distance p is 7,5. That's point P, and we just worked out the line of point of intersection is 4, 1. So that's here. That's the line point of intersection of the two lines, and one's perpendicular. So this is the distance we want. And that 4 to 7, that is 3. 1 to 5 is 4. Oh, it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle, so it's a square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is square root of 5 squared. Therefore the distance is 5. Possibly could have drawn a diagram, but that's that question done.